Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lisa and today I'm sharing with you guys my facial shaving routine, steps that I follow to make sure I shave my face safely and get a smooth soft skin. I have been using these razors from Sanfe for almost a year now and absolutely love these razors. And no, this is not a sponsored video guys. I have been buying these razors from Nika for almost a year now. So I will be sharing step-by-step routine how to shave my face, and I will also share some tips and tricks how to get a perfect shave every time without any cuts on your skin, and how to prep your skin before shaving. So let's get started guys. So as you guys can see, these razors come in the cute little box here. These razors are for eyebrows, upper lips, peach fuzz, chin hair, and also for bikini line. There are 3 razors in here and retailing for 299 rupees. The directions are also mentioned here very clearly. Each of these razors will last around 3 months used regularly. I use them for 3 months and then discard them, but it's totally a personal choice. We will also need aloe vera gel. I am using this aloe vera gel from Himalaya. This is an affordable and such a nice gel guys. I absolutely love this gel. We will need cotton pads or cotton balls or any cotton cloth. I am using these cotton pads from Tulip. It's a very good quality pad at a very affordable price. Links will be in my description box guys, do check them out. I am using parachute coconut oil, but you can choose any oil of your choice. And at last we also need some ice cubes. Now let's get started guys. I have already cleansed my face with the Face Shop Jeju aloe vera gel cleanser. I have hair on my upper lips and my cheeks and also on my chin. I generally shave my face every 15 days. I will start by applying a good amount of coconut oil to my face. It provides instant hydration to our skin and also protects our skin barrier. If you don't use coconut oil or any kind of oil, then you may use any kind of facial gel. I have cleansed my razor properly beforehand. Always clean your razor before and after using. I will start from the temples of my cheek and towards my jawline. I will hold my skin with one hand and shave with tiny small strokes. Make very small strokes and follow your hairline. Don't shave against your hair growth. Always follow the hair growth. Clean up the hair from your face and also from the razor whenever needed, and when you feel dryness around your skin, apply more oil. Do not apply too much pressure. Shave very lightly guys. I don't go very close to my sideburns. I kind of like my baby hair, but it's totally a personal choice. While doing the forehead, be very careful around your eyebrows. It is very easy to just shave off your eyebrows. I learned it the hard way, guys, believe me. Now let's move towards my upper lips. I will apply a bit more oil to hydrate my upper lips properly and start by following the natural hair growth. It's very easy, guys. Just shave very lightly with tiny small strokes to prevent any kind of cuts. You guys can see how smooth my upper lips look instantly. I also go for any hair growth on my neck as well. Now, I don't normally shave my eyebrows at home. I am not good at it and my eyebrows are very thick. But you may shave your eyebrows only if you can, otherwise you may end up with a very thin eyebrow. Be careful, guys. Anyways, guys, I'm done. I will clean up my face and wash my face with my favorite facial cleanser, that is the Face Shop Jeju Aloe Vera Face Cleanser. I'm using that one for a month now and I'm enjoying it a lot. You guys can see how smooth my skin looks. It looks very clean and very bright. I will apply ice cube on my face for just 15 to 20 seconds. It will calm my skin, reduce any kind of redness or irritation, close up all the open pores, and also take care of any cuts that I might have got. Finally, I will apply a decent amount of aloe vera gel all over my face. Aloe vera gel soothes our skin and reduces any kind of redness or inflammation. If you are allergic to aloe vera gel or it doesn't suit your skin, you may just apply any thick moisturizer or any thick gel that suits your skin. It's totally fine. Guys, the most important thing is to not shave your face if you have active breakouts on your skin. Always avoid breakouts. It might cause infection, and do not exfoliate your skin after shaving. I hope you enjoyed this routine. I will catch you guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.